Hello everybody and welcome to Christ Our Anchors Virtual Bible School. My name is Jason and I'm here to do some science today with my helper,
Maisie.
Alright, we're super excited. Today is Wacky Wednesday. I hope you have some wacky hair or wacky hats or something too. And we are going to be doing some food science today related to the Bible story where Abigail brings food to some people that desperately needed it. So starting off, we're going to look at these carbonated beverages here. We have soda and we have a carbonated flavored water. And so today we're going to be looking at density and how that affects whether things sink or float. So I encourage you to gather all kinds of things from around your house and see whether they sink or float. And so there we go. We've got a sinker, yes. All right, so that's basically like Sprite or 7-Up, and that sank. And we've got this flavored water, and you can see that it floats. So there's not too much difference between these, except for 1,000,000 grams of sugar. So the extra sugar in here made that one more dense, and so that one sank. And so like I said, you can gather all kinds of amazing things from around your house. Could be toys or foods or other things, and play the sink or float game. It's lots of fun. And I forgot to say, each time you should make a prediction before you do the experiment. So go ahead, think about what's going to happen when Maisie puts the lemon in there. Go ahead and hit pause. Talk about it with your family. All right, are you back? Okay, great. We're ready to test it.
I think that it's gonna float.
All right, fantastic. And then go ahead and hit pause again and discuss the rest of these, whether you think they're going to float or sink. We've got an apple, a lime, an orange, a grape, and a raisin.
And this one floated.
All right, here we go, Maisie. Let's go ahead and test the rest of them. Apple, go.
Maybe sink. Nope, float.
Ah, she was wrong, and that's a great thing, because when you're wrong, when you're doing science experiments, that means you learn something.
Learn something new.
So being wrong in science is a great thing, because you get to learn. Go ahead.
I think this one will sink.
And she was right.
Sink. This orange I think will sink. Oh, and it floats.
All right, what's next?
It's the grape. I think this will sink. Oh.
And it did.
And it did. And I think this raisin will sink.
All right, so in that last one, you saw the raisin, and it did sink. I know it's kind of small, but it did sink. Now we're going to try a couple of candies. Like I said, you can just try anything from around your house as long as you get your parents' permission. So we've got a regular old Hershey bar and a Three Musketeers. So let's go ahead and try those. Maisie's going to help me out. Oh, I think it might have melted. Yeah, we're not going to be able to try that. Wow, look at that. All right, so I think we'll have to skip the candy. So we're going to leave you in suspense. We're going to move on to another experiment.
Okay.
All right, here we go. So we've got a glass here, and we're going to put some of this sparkling water in there. All right, Maisie, go ahead and put like 5 or 6 or 7 raisins in there, and we'll see what happens.
3, 4.
That's good. That's good.
Okay.
So you can see the raisins sank to the bottom, but now they're rising up to the top. Oh, and they just went back down. And one came up and went back down. So what's happening there is the carbon dioxide bubbles are attaching to the raisins and raising them up to the surface. When the carbon dioxide bubbles pop, then the raisin sinks back down. So the raisin on its own is more dense than the water, but the raisin with the carbon dioxide attached to it is less dense than water. And that's what all of these experiments are about. So there's these hidden forces that are at work in this experiment, just like there's hidden forces at work in our lives. There's a lot of things that happen in our lives where we can't see what's happening behind them, and we believe in them anyway. All right, thanks everybody. Say goodbye, Maisie. Bye. Have fun experimenting.